Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to fix cells in Excel, step by step. Let's get started. First, we will fix incorrect cell formatting. Select the cell that looks wrong by clicking it once with your mouse. From there, look toward the top of Excel and click the Home tab so its options are visible. In the Home tab, you can change the font, like making text bold or larger, and alignment, such as centering the text. You can also adjust the number format here, for example, switching between general, number, currency, or date, which often fixes strange values. If the cell is full of strange colors or borders, go to Home, then Clear, then click Clear Formats, and the cell returns to plain default style. A helpful detail is that Clear Formats does not delete the value itself, only the styling, so the numbers or text stay in place. Next, let us fix a cell that only shows number signs, also called hash symbols. If you see several number signs like this, click on that column header at the top to select the whole column. Move your mouse to the right edge of that column header. Click and drag it to the right to make the column wider. As soon as the column is wide enough, the actual numbers or dates become visible again in those cells. If widening does not help, go to the Home tab and use the Number Format drop-down to pick a more suitable format like number or date. Sometimes these number signs appear when a formula gives a negative date or time, so even if the cell is wide, Excel still cannot show it correctly. Now let us fix a cell you cannot edit because the sheet is protected. Click the cell you want to change, and if Excel shows a message saying the cell or chart is on a protected sheet, note that message. At this point, go to the Review tab at the top of Excel, which controls protection settings. In the Review tab, click Unprotect Sheet, which tells Excel you want to allow editing again. If a password is required, Excel will ask you to type it, and you will only be able to edit if you know that password. On protected worksheets, the person who set up the file can choose exactly which cells are locked, so some cells might stay editable while others remain blocked. After that, we will replace incorrect cell information without retyping everything by hand. Click the cell that contains the wrong value or text. Press Ctrl and H on your keyboard together, which opens the Find and Replace window. In the Find What box, type the incorrect value you want to remove, for example, a wrong word or number. In the Replace With box, type the correct value you want to use instead. Click Replace to fix just the current cell, or Replace All to change the same value everywhere in the selected range or sheet. A small trick here is that Replace All can change many cells at once, so be sure the value you are replacing is not something you still need in other places. Finally, we will completely clear a cell and start again. Click to select the cell that you want to wipe clean. Go to the Home tab, click Clear, then choose Clear All to remove everything in that cell. Clear All deletes the value, any formula, and all formatting like colors, borders, and number styles, leaving a truly blank cell. If you only want to remove the value but keep the font size and color, choose Clear Contents instead so the look of the cell stays the same. You have just learned several ways to fix cells in Excel, from formatting issues to protection and clearing values. If this helped you out, a quick thumbs up really helps. And if you would like to support the channel, please subscribe. It truly means a lot to us, and we are thankful for every single one. Thanks so much for watching.